Hello world and welcome back to the bench. As you see, we have an unboxing tonight. Retro Rick GamePoint. Did I get that right? Yes, Retro Rick GamePoint does whatnot. He does YouTube. I'm sure he has an online store. He just did a convention this year. Retro Rick is just getting it all over the place. I enjoy watching his videos. And I saw the whatnots, and I've done some other whatnots in the past. So I've jumped in before, kind of looked for Commodore retro things and never really find anything. But this one night I did. So there's one retro purchase, which we'll look at first. And then a couple, maybe I had a beer or two and shouldn't have bought them. But I mean, you know, I'll go over some of the prices. I'll go over what I did. And right now, let's just take a look at the unboxing. I am going to say I have opened it. I pulled out my invoice, sealed it back up. Haven't played with anything inside. So we're going to take a look at how everything was boxed up. We're going to look at what I got. We're going to turn some things on. So without any more delay, let's get this box on the main bench. And by the way, big box, right? I bought some stuff. So they put it all in one item, which is really nice because it does save on shipping, which is really big. I didn't have to pay for 3 different shipments. They put it all together. I got one fee after the whatnot and all that kind of jazz. So that was nice. How am I going to open this? Okay, should we change the camera? All right, ceiling camera only. And this box is too big. It's too big. There's more of it over here on this side. But look, that's where my address is, so that's fine. Let's just kind of cut open the quick piece I threw on top, just to keep everything together. There we go. Let's get that out of the way. All right, so right off the bat, nice little filler package, or filler packaging. That's nice. And, oh, wow. Everything seems to be its own box. So this is one thing. This is 2 things. Oh, geez. This is 2 things right here, which we'll look at. And we're going to start with the one that's not in a box, but was the reason I came here. Oh, but it was nice and wrapped up. So far, 10 of 10. This is looking great. I do not think this box suffered any damage in shipping. This is the box. I mean, they had a picture up and they showed things. But it is a Wacko command control. I mean, this is the stick, right, for Commodore people. Oh, man, the box even holds in tight. That's amazing. All right, well, let's see what we got in here. Oh, I hope it works. Okay, price-wise, I think oh, look, it even has a little piece that is supposed to go down through the joystick. So that's a pretty, oh wow, look where my thumb is. That's right where the dent is. So over years of people messing with this, look at that. That is hilarious. But anyways, hey, great box. I really like it. Very nice and sturdy. And you know I like boxes. We're going to have to test this out real quick. Let's kind of see how it feels. Ooh, it feels just fine. How's that end look? The end looks just fine. Okay. All right, give me just a second to get a Commodore, get it plugged in. We're going to test this joystick and see if it works. So I'll be back. Let's super speed this. Okay. Well, the color, well, I just had this one tested the other day, like literally this weekend. Or no, last weekend. I brought it in, turned it on, and did a few things. Colors look a little bright on my side. I don't know. They look okay there. It is what it is. Let's get a game. Well, it fits super nice and tight. Okay, good. Ooh, right's a little crunchy. Oh, well, maybe just needed to go back and forth a little bit. Kick, kick, Womp womp. Okay. Joystick. Let's test it now with some other angles with Qbert. Let's slap Qbert in there. Oh yeah. Select one or two player game? I don't know. How do I select? Okay, I did something. All right, let's see how we do. Wow, that's actually the best I've ever played. Oh, well, that was over. Okay, so we can go in all of our directions, it looks like. Let me let this one, let's test that. Oh, go, run. Okay, yeah. Everything's good. Hey! Okay. I think it was like $30. I don't remember exactly. I should go look at the invoice and maybe Editor Rich. I think I saw these in box 3540, outside of box 2025, maybe 30. I think I came in around $30. Oh, look, there's button selector for the base or the stick. How nice is that? Anyways, y'all got one of these. I just got one now too. So that's great. Let's move on to box number 2. Box number 2 is here. Now this is going to make its way back on another episode. And I will explain a little bit about that next episode. My daughter grew up on the Wii, and I like retro gaming, as probably many of you do. I do some emulation, some actual equipment. But the Wii that she had, the CD broke on it. And of course, she was kind of out of Wii at that time. So I homebrewed it, playing ROMs. It's great. I ended up through an inheritance kind of situation getting another Wii. So what we're going to do is take that CD player out, put it in her Wii, and have a new Wii for her. But there was a point one time when she really just said, hey, let's do this, let's do that. The CD's broken. We took all the games back in to the game store, turned them in, got credit, and then came back and purchased new things. I think it was for her DS at that time. Or maybe things even for me at that time. So this is a little bit of that gift idea. Retro Rick had all these Wii games. What do I got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 40 Wii games. Oh, and I picked them up in a bulk lot. So there is just nothing. Look at that. There is just nothing in here but Wii games. And because I know my beautiful daughter does not watch this, that I'm pretty safe that she'll get all these games when we do that. Oh, wow, look at that. Anubis? I don't even remember that. She'll get all these games after we have fixed her Wii, and we can do some testing with these. Oh, Purr Pals. Can you see it? Purr Pals. She's going to love that. Okay. Wow, there are a lot of games in here. But I think I ended up around $100 on this. So 40 games, $2, 10 cents or something. Gem Smashers, I bet that's a fun one. I tell you, what a big way to get a lot. I'm sure for him over at the store, these are, oh wow, see, that could be a lot of fun. These are just, I mean, they sit on the shelf maybe forever. So it's a really great way for him to get rid of a bunch of games at once via Whatnot. Chuck E. Cheese, they're opening a new one down near us in Allen. So for other people to also get a big bunch of games to play on their original system and have fun, if you're a starting collector, that could be a really cool way of, kind of getting into this. If you're a seller, I don't know, tell me. You saw what I just flipped through. Is there some big money ones in there that we need to know about? All right, let's get box 2 out of the way and move on to box 3. All right, here was another one. Box 3 I was looking at, and it was like going for nothing. I said, oh, that's worth a little bit more, so I bid it up, and then all of a sudden I win. So I think for around $60, I came in, maybe it was 65. We got a power, so we'll have to try that. Oh, Yep, we got a control, or a video cable, it looks like. And I think you're about to see what it is I bought. An NES system. And 2 controllers. No light gun. So just FYI. Hey, very well packed. Again, 10 out of 10. For, whoa. A bunch of paperwork fell out. What do we got here in the paperwork? All right. Oh, okay, we got a free membership. Wonder if that still works. Nope, because it's Nintendo Power. We have the instructions. That's pretty cool. And look at that. We got the poster. You're playing with power. That is greatness. Look at that. I can put this up in my bedroom so everybody knows I'm a Nintendo Power player. That's pretty cool. And what else do we got? We got a registration. Oh, this one didn't come with the zapper, but I got the zapper manual. And more Nintendo Power. And a little update. A little tips and tricks how to use. That's pretty cool. All right, let's see what we got here. Nintendo looks pretty good. Oh, that's right. Came with the game. We got, what is that? Super Mario Brothers and Duck Hunt with no zapper. I don't know. I don't know. Let's plug it in. Let's see what happens. That was weird. I think I was pixelating there. Okay. Open up our launch bay door. Put our game back in. Close it. Close it. Let's turn on the monitor. Let's turn on the system. We got a power light. Oh, we need to change the input. Hey, there we go. Composite signal. Things look to be working. Let's place. Oh, I like that. Uh-oh. Okay, let's try this. One player. Well, maybe I'll do 2-player game. Does it use the same joystick, or does it change joysticks? All right, A's working. B's. Oh, well, B works when you run right into people. All right, now on 2, do I get to change controller? Yes, I do. B works. Jumping works. Okay. Let's go back. Maybe I can get a couple tests in up and down. Yeah, I think we're just fine here. Yeah, I do not play this game very much. You'll find once you get super old that, yeah, these games are just a little bit harder. Wow. I need to check my camera. Apologize for the video. Okay, well, the front video, I think, has calmed down for a minute. Maybe I need to check some cables, see what's going on there. But, Retro Rick, 10 out of 10. Everything worked. Everything was as advertised. Everything was shipped and packed really well. So if you're watching this whatnot, if you're watching the store, if you're watching anything along those lines, I think you're pretty safe if you've got some stuff you want for Christmas, or if you got some stuff you want to buy with some of your Christmas money that you got. I hope you visit them. I know, not sponsored, nothing here. I mean, you know, there's like 2 people that watch the channel. And yeah, I just did this with my own stuff, and it worked out pretty good. So hope you have a great holidays, and talk soon. See you back at the bench.